How to sell shoes on StockX. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can sell your own shoes on StockX. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, I'm on their website called stockx.com, and what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and just simply sign up. Now you can see that there is a sell option as well, so you can sell it right here. You can add a new listing or current listing or history and professional tools as well, but I recommend signing up first. So let's go ahead and sign up. So as you can see, you can sign up with your first name, last name, your email address, or you can continue with Google or Facebook, Apple or Twitter, whatever you want. You can sign up and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with Google. And once you're signed up, they'll ask you to, enter in the number or subscribe, to get a $10 free gift card. But if you want, you can skip it as well. It doesn't really matter. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and start selling it. So over here underneath your profile, you can see you have the buying, selling, portfolio option, and you will get all these different options as well. So you can just simply go ahead and click on sell right here. And over here, this is how you do it. You list your item, you ship it, and you get paid. Very simple. So you gotta have to make sure that your products is available to you, because you're gonna have to ship it out yourself. So let's go ahead and click on I understand. And over here, you can choose a product, right? Find the product you're looking for to continue. So let's say you have a brand of shoes. Let's say you have a brand new pair of sneakers or Converse. Like here, you can choose whichever one you want. It depends on you. Let's go with this one right here, the high tops. So let's go ahead and click over here. Now over here, they're going to ask you for the size. So make sure you select the right size. So over here, it also is, the price also depends on the size as well. So over here, as you can see, you can ask for the price for a 3 or 3.5 and then 4 size, and then it starts at $50, and then you can see it goes up to 33. Sorry about that, 54, 55, 69. As you can see, the 7 is 69 because that's, I think, the most popular size. And then each size has different, pricing. So let's just say we are a size, I think I am a 9.5, so we'll go with 9.5. And over here, you can just simply add the bidding as well. Right here, you can add a billing method. You can even add a discount. And over here, you can see you have the total payout right here. So then you just simply click on next. Make sure you add the billing method, as they will send you the money or over here into your account and credit card as well. So make sure you do that. So for now, we're going to cancel that and click on next. Of course, they're going to ask me for it. Okay, let me just add my credit card right here. Well, currently I can't add my card. I think it's rejecting it for some reason, but you get the idea, right? Once you've added the payment method, you've added the discount, you can proceed next and it'll be listed on your account. And then people can just come and go ahead and start, buying it. And then you will get a notification or a message from StockX telling you that you have a bid on the shoe and that someone wants to buy it, and you should probably, send them the product. And then what you can do is you can, give the proof of the receipt or whatever. And it's basically like eBay and other online e-commerce stores, like the big place like Amazon, where people just, create an account and sell their used or brand new stuff. So it's actually very simple. And you will get all of your information in your profile section right here, where you will get your buying. So if you click on the buying section, you will get all the history of the current buyings or pending, transactions and history, everything over here. And then you will get the selling as well. You will get all of your, history of selling your accounts. You will see what your profile says about you. You can even have a portfolio over here as well at the bottom, where you even have, NFTs right here. You even have a portfolio for your NFTs if you want to sell them, and you even have your product as well. So you can have, portfolio of all the products that you've bought and sell. And you can even follow different creators or, sellers as well. So it actually works really, really well. It's very simple. It's like over here, as you can see, you will get your new listing, and your current listings are going to be over here. You can find it right here. You can see the pending sales and the history, and you even have this StockX professional seller tool as well. So if you click over here, let's go ahead and check it out as well. So over here, you get a bunch of different benefits for high volume sellers, right? You can bulk shipment, you get lower fees and bonus, you get early payouts and VIP account management as well. And over here, it's available for all 4+ level sellers. So If you're just starting out, you can't get the Stockx Pro because you just started out, and as I can see, it requires at least a 4 level 4 seller. So once you've sold a bunch of items, you've got a good ranking, and you're selling good items for good prices, your level will increase, and you can then go ahead and join the Stockx program. I think it's a pretty cool program, but it doesn't really matter. It's just an add-on in my opinion. You can save time. There are some cool things over here like quick adding, listings, groupings, data processing, data and pricing tools, hotkeys, and all of that. You even have self-service as well, but you know it's just an add-on in my opinion. But yeah, it's available for you to check them out. So if you want to go ahead and check it out, you can check it out as well. And there's even a guide for the new seller guide right here, so let's go ahead and check that out as well. So over here you can see sell, get paid, and repeat. So sell quick with zero BS. You can reach millions and unlock rewards. And over here you can start selling in 4 easy steps. There is no approval needed. As you can saw a couple of minutes earlier when I signed up, they didn't ask me for a bunch of stuff. I just signed up with my Google account. Didn't ask me for a bunch of stuff. The only thing that they require is a payment method or a payout method, so they can pay you and you can receive payments and send back payments if need be. You can create a smarter listing. You can ship them your sold items as well. So we require that you send us the sold item within 2 business days, simply to print the label. So you're going to have to send the item to StockX so that they can put a label on it, and then they can send out the product to the customer. And then we release your payouts as soon as we confirm your sold items are new and StockX verified. So as you can see, pretty simple. So there are a bunch of products that you can sell, or you can even put on bids. And as you can see right here, you can either place and ask or sell now, right? So you can ask people to bid on it. So if people really want it, they can bid on it, and it's just a win-win situation for you, but that generally takes a little bit more time. And down below, these are the 4 levels that I was telling you about. So level 1, there is no sales required, there is no dollars required or money transaction. There is a 10% transaction fee and rewards and advanced features. None of those. Level 2, you have to get 3 sales required, right? You get 3 sales, you're a level 2 StockX seller. Sales required, you gotta earn up to $500, and your transaction fee is lowered to 9.5. Same with level 3, you gotta have 6 sales, or you earn $1,500 and your transaction fee is 9.0%. And you also get bulk shipping available in certain countries and regions. And then you have level 4 and level 5. As you can see, you gotta either sell 25 products or earn $5,000 with 8.5% fee. And level 5 is going to be 250 sales or $30,000 earning transactions, and your transaction fee will be 8%, and you get a bunch of these cool features and bonuses. So as you can see, it's actually very cool stuff right here, but it depends on you if you want to come over here and start selling your products on StockX or eBay. So pretty simple. That's how you do it. That's how you sell your sneakers on StockX. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.